Hello kindergarten. Today we're going to be reviewing our 2 letters we learned this week. We're going to talk about them for a minute together, and then we're going to do one of our pages together, and then I'm going to kind of give you the directions for the other 2 pages for you to practice on your own. Here is the first letter we learned this week. Who remembers the name of this letter? N. N is a consonant, so it just makes one sound, and N says N. Let's say that together. N says N. N says N. And then we learned this other letter this week too. What is the name of it? E. E is a vowel, so it makes 2 sounds. E says E. Say that with me. E says E. E. The first thing we're going to practice today is how to write N and E again together. So I need you to get your paper out that looks like this. And you'll need your pencil because we're doing writing. I'm using a marker so it will show up for you a little better on my video. So let's get this paper out and get our name on the top. And then we're going to practice tracing upper and lowercase n, upper and lowercase e, and then we're going to do some practice with both, kind of like we do on our original writing paper. First we're going to do uppercase N. I want you to watch me first, and then when I say go, you can work on uppercase N yourself. Uppercase N goes big line down, slant to the bottom, big line up. Big line down, slant to the bottom, big line up. Big line down, slant to the bottom, big line up. Then I'm going to use starting dots to make some of my own. Big line down, slant to the bottom, big line up. Big line down, slant to the bottom, big line up. Big line down, slant to the bottom, big line up. You pick up your pencil and do that row of uppercase N's. N says N. When you're done, I want you to put your pencil down and watch me do the lowercase n's on the next row. Lowercase n goes down, hump. It stays under that middle line. Down, hump. Down, hump. Down, hump. Down, hump. Down, hump. You go and trace and write that row of lowercase n's. This is one of those videos if you need to stop while you finish your row and hit pause, you can do that. I'm going to come on down and do uppercase E. Remember, E is a vowel, so it says E. For uppercase E, we go big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. I'm going to trace those 3, and then I'm going to use those starting dots to make 3 uppercase E's of my own. I need to go back there and fill in that line. You go and make that row of uppercase E's on your own. Alright, we're going to come down to number 4. We're going to do some lowercase e's. Remember I told you this is a tricky letter to write, so we want to make sure we're doing it the correct way. We go across, around like a C. Across, around like a C. Across, around like a C. Then you're going to use those starting dots. See how that starting dot is right in between the middle line and the bottom line? That's where you need to start your lowercase e's. Across, around like a C. Across, around like a C. Alright, we're going to use these bottom 2 rows to kind of make patterns. We're going to do N's on row 5, so you're going to do an uppercase N, then a lowercase, then an uppercase, then a lowercase. I have room for about 4 uppercase and 4 lowercase on my paper. Notice my uppercase N goes from top to bottom, my lowercase n goes from middle line to bottom. Then for row 6, we're going to do E's. We're going to do big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Then a lowercase, across, around like a C. Uppercase, lowercase. Looks like I'm going to have room for about 4 of each for E2. Alright, if you need to hit pause while you finish up this paper, that's okay. I'm going to give you the directions for the next 2 pages, and then you're going to do these on your own. You have 2 pages that look like this, one for N and 1 for E. It's called highlight a letter. Now, if you have a highlighter marker at home, you can use it. Highlighter looks like this. They're kind of neon. So if you want to use that, that's fine. But if you don't have a highlighter, you can just use your crayon. Okay? So it says you're going to color or highlight the correct letter. And on this page, we're looking for N's. So you're going to look for all the upper and lowercase N's. I'm going to do just a couple to show you. I see one uppercase N. There's a lowercase N. There's an uppercase. And you're going to keep going and find in each row any upper or lowercase N's you see. And then you're going to come to the bottom and practice writing them again. Okay, you're going to do an uppercase N and a lowercase. Uppercase and a lowercase. You're going to make a couple of each. Then you're going to do the same thing on the E page. You're going to highlight or color all the E's you see, upper and lowercase. So there's an uppercase E. There's a lowercase e. I don't see any others in that row, but you're going to keep going and highlight or color all the E's you see. And then you're going to come to the bottom and practice writing some E's on your own. I'm also going to post a couple songs, videos to kind of help us review the letters E and N from this week too that you all can watch. All right? So do your nicest, neatest work. Like I said, you're going to keep going. I just did a few as an example, but you're going to look in each row. And on the N page, find all the N's. On the E page, find all the E's. Everybody understand the directions? Let me know if you have any questions.